Welcome to Legal Cost Manager. In this brief demonstration, we will show you the interactive features of LCM's Precedent H dashboard. The Precedent H dashboard brings together court-ready Precedent H, R and Q reports and combines these with useful functions for building and managing budgets and seeing instantly the updates to these reports. Let's start by taking a look at the Precedent H report. The summary is in the first tab, with the detail and assumption schedule in the next two tabs. The Precedent H dashboard contains the same features for building a phase budget as the LCM budget dashboard. Let's drill down into a phase to see this. Here is the rate card for the phase, which has been copied from the matter but can be changed if a phase needs to have its own rate card. Let's now take a look at the time card, disbursements card and assumptions for this phase. We'll now navigate back to the dashboard by clicking on the breadcrumb link. As incurred costs are imported into LCM, they will appear in the appropriate columns in the Precedent H report. And if costs that were incurred before the budget start date are to be included in the Precedent H report, then this is set like this. Notice in this case that the pre-action costs are now part of the Precedent H report. Once the full set of assumptions are added to the phases, they are summarized and viewed in the assumption summary. Notice that LCM allows reasons for the incurred cost to be clearly identified in a separate column to the budget assumptions. The Precedent R report is also automatically generated using the same data as the Precedent H report. This can be updated on screen. For comparison purposes, the budgets for other parties can be added and updated like this. Once the other parties' budgets are entered, they are displayed phase by going back to the Precedent H dashboard and selecting the Budget Comparison tab, like this. Let's now go back to the Precedent R tab and show how LCM can be used to automatically recalculate a budget. In this example, see how the claimed amount for the disclosure phase has been reduced to a lower offered amount. LCM's budget recalculation feature allows the new budget figure to be used and gives an option as to whether the hours are to be adjusted to meet the offered amount. If the hours are kept as they are, a new rate card is created for the phase with adjusted hourly rates. In the same way, we can select whether to adjust the budget disbursements or keep them as they are. Once that's done, the Precedent H report is automatically updated with the new values, and the budget cards for the adjusted phases can be viewed. Notice that in this case the hours for each fee earner have been automatically reduced in equal proportion. We can make further manual adjustments if required. Finally, let's take a look at the Precedent Q report. Like the other reports in the Precedent H workbench, the Precedent Q report uses the same source of data, so it's automatically updated as new information is added to any of the other reports. At any stage, the reports can be exported to spreadsheets, like this. Thank you for watching. For further information, please call 0800 133 7940 or email us at sales@legalcostmanager.com.